Alright guys, today we're going to focus on the Rx7. What I'm going to try to get done today is removing the entire dash. I pretty much want to prep the car to just have it completely ready for the build. I'm getting overwhelmed right now with things because I'm focusing on, okay, I got to do the wiring harness, I got to prep the engine bay to take it out, and then I'm just getting stimulated with all this shit that I'm thinking about. So what I think I'm going to do is just focus on prepping the car completely. So I'm going to prep it for the wiring harness, prep it for the engine bay, just completely finish all the prepping stuff. And by that time, when that's all done, Peter's car is going to be done, and then I can just focus on working on the Rx7. Alright, so we're going to be removing this entire dash, like all of this. So I'm going to have to disconnect all these things over here, and then just prep it to remove the wiring harness. I'm going to take the radio off, the Apex CFC, all that stuff is all coming out. Alright, we got the gauge cluster out. That was a bitch. That was pretty fulfilling though. That was fun. We got all this out. We disconnected all the connectors over here from the gauge cluster. Some of that is the lighting. I know cruise control is one of these. Your RPMs, oil, low coolant, all that good shit. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put like a digital display over here, like a single. I think it's called like an Rx7 display or some shit like that. It's gonna be connected right to the Haltech Elite from here. So I'm gonna get a custom one made. So instead of having all these, it's just gonna be like a square in the middle like that. Bop. It's gonna be a display. So that's what I'm gonna do. Fuck!
You got this motherfucker started. God, you took your bitch at the party. God, I took your bitch in the party. God, you that be flat to Martian. God, you that don't think in the gut. God, you got the bricks in the truck. God, then down go hit like a bitch on a bitch ass bitch. Bitch, you a wanna be caught. Red bottom MJ moonwalk on a bitch. Moonwalking through your clique. I'm moonwalking in the 6. 50 with the kick. Boombox in this bitch. I'm from the motherfucking Bronx. I keep the bump in the trunk. Make sure you back.
Just a quick reminder, when you're doing this shit and if you're getting frustrated, try to look at it from a different angle. So for example, I was just struggling with this shit for the past 15 minutes, but I was like, fuck, you know what, let me just go look at it from a different angle, let me turn around, let me see what I'm working with. And then I ended up just pushing it from the bottom out, and it ended up working, and I was stuck trying to pull it out one way. So just look at it from a different perspective.
I leave your bitch in the slum. Your bitch won't party with Cardi. Cardi a party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch from Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Bitch, truck laying a lane. Blow out the train. You insane, insane. I drop a check on the chain. Pick up a check in the plane. Credit to your name, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Credit to the pussy on offset. Cardi big brain on offset. Credit to your name, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Credit to the pussy on offset. Cardi big brain on offset.
Your bitch wanna party with a savage too. Son of our savage in the ass. Yeah. High-end cars and fashion too. I don't eat pussy, I'm fast on God. All my blood, my brother crippin'. Bitch, I'm drippin'. Ho, you trippin'. Told the waitress I ain't tippin'. I like her so.
Yep, that's on. Very good.
Something's still fucking connected.
No, what?
Yeah, you gotta get it from there.
Oh, okay, but
I think. I don't know what the fuck that even is. It's just like some random ass single wire.
oh fuck.
Like what the fuck
Wait,
is that?
it's hold on. Bring it back. Oh yeah, look at that shit.
Yikes.
Bro, that's fucking massive.